Imagine a planet where the rain comes down as liquid gold. It's a wild thought, right? But let's get real. There's a planet out there that's just as bizarre. Gliese 436b, where ice storms and surreal weather redefine what we think about alien worlds. Instead of gold rain, we get ice lightning, the kind of electrifying storms that could change our understanding of life in space. So, what can we learn from this strange place, and what conflicts could arise if we ever set our eyes on it? Let's explore. First off, Gliese 436b might sound like a cosmic fantasy, but it's scientifically unique. This planet is located about 33 light years away and orbits an ultra-cool dwarf star. It's massive, with a diameter twice that of Earth, but it's missing a key feature, a magnetic field. Why is that important? Well, without a magnetic field, the atmosphere is stripped away by solar winds, leaving behind mostly ammonia. This ammonia creates an environment ripe for ice lightning storms, making it an oddity in our universe. It's like Earth had a weather party gone rogue, swapping out water for ice and causing electrical showdowns? Now, picture storms with ice pellets the size of golf balls crashing down on you. The gravity on Gliese 436b is much weaker, which sounds great until you realize those golf ball-sized ice chunks are falling at high speeds. Imagine being out in the open when the storm rolls in. It's a game of dodgeball, but you're the ball. In a way, it's like being on a roller coaster that's missing a safety bar. Every thrill comes with a dose of danger. But let's take a step back. Could life exist here? It's pretty tricky. With such extreme cold temperatures hitting 170 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit, life as we know it would struggle. But what if life creatively adapted? Imagine beings that thrive in freezing conditions, perhaps using heat from chemical reactions to survive. Maybe they have evolved an intricate way to dance through ice storms, creating a symbiotic relationship with their icy environment, learning to harness that energy instead of being struck by it. Now, let's switch gears and think about the implications of finding gold. Not that Gliese 436b is literally raining gold. Scientists say that's unlikely since gold is incredibly rare even on Earth. But even a slight trace could spark economic interest. What if we colonized the planet and discovered substantial resources? Enter conflict over ownership. Picture countries arguing over territorial rights, battling over who owns what on a planet so far from home. History has shown us that humans love to fight over valuable resources, whether it's land, water, or minerals. Think of the gold rushes on Earth. The rush to claim resources leads to chaos, disputes, and often violence. To avoid such conflicts, perhaps we should establish cosmic treaties before we even step foot on other planets. Can you envision rulers of Earth signing treaties while sitting in their spaceships? It would be like the intergalactic version of, you get this section, and I'll take that. Or what if drones mapped out the territory before we arrived, allowing us to tag land without stepping on someone else's toes? This would be a great way to avoid the same messy disputes we see on Earth. So why is Gliese 436b significant? It teases the imagination and pushes the limits of our understanding. It's a reminder that our universe is filled with planets that may harbor secrets waiting to be discovered. Some may be completely inhospitable, but they can teach us about extremes and adaptability. And if we ever found a planet with gold-like conditions, well, just remember your helmet and your negotiation skills. In conclusion, Gliese 436b ignites our curiosity and sparks discussions about not just exploration, but also about cooperation and conflict. As we gaze into the stars, understanding strange worlds might just help us better understand our own. Thank you for joining me today on this cosmic journey!
Please subscribe!